Join us now and share the software. Join us now and share the software. Honest can get piles of money, but they cannot help their neighbors. When we have enough free software and a call, we'll throw.
Hi, how's it going? I very rarely stream on this channel. Very. Are you going to release a vid about KDE Plasma? What do you think we are doing right now? We are literally planning for that video. There's a lot of people here. I don't even know how many people are here. As always, I am also over on the Twitch side as well. So if you want to go watch it on that... Why the fuck did that explode? So if you want to go watch it on that platform instead, feel free to go and do so. I am going to be drinking. So, you know, it is what it is. How you doing, man? Welcome. Why rare GNOME W? I don't know if I'm gonna call it that? Yeah, that's from a... Oh, that's from my video with, GNOME variable refresh rate. That's coming out tomorrow, I think. Yeah, stream just started like 5 minutes ago. Didn't miss anything. So, the plan for today basically is I want to just mess around with Plasma 6. And if there's anything that you guys want me to specifically try that maybe you don't know if it works properly or anything else like that, we're going to do so. Also... Okay, for anyone who has... Just as like a baseline for where we're at. So this is... Does this work? I wonder. Yes. As just like a baseline for where we're at. Thank you for the follow, Kelvin. I can't see the follows on YouTube, by the way. Also, thank you for the follow, Chinese characters. I don't know what that says. That one... Why is it showing something different than who actually followed? What is even show? Where are these follows even coming from? Actually, now that I think about it, maybe it's a different. Whatever. Anyway, yeah. So here is my Plasma install. I haven't really done anything too crazy to it. I've got my bar like smaller. I've got my dark theme enabled as well. Not much else. Thank you for the follow, Bishito. Everything else is pretty stock. Like. There's like a little couple of minor changes. Like I still use Toffee to do everything. Also, I'm running the Wayland version, not the X11 version. The only thing I noticed is Plasma 6 pulls out the VLC player because there is no Phonon QT6 G-Stream pack into the Ultra Pulse. Wait, what? What? I'm confused. VLC, the VLC's here. It doesn't uninstall it. Jesus Christ. Okay, maybe I should turn off the sound alerts for the follows on the Twitch side. Yeah, I'm not planning to... Well, I'm going to do some minor things to it. I'm probably going to mess around with things like... I definitely want to mess around with, of course... when there is a release for it. I'm going to mess around with, obviously, Polonium. There is, I think, the 1.0 stuff, which is supposed to be the KDE 6 stuff. Yeah, that got merged last week. So, I don't know when there's going to be a release. It seems like they're still addressing some bugs here. But I do want to mess around with Polonium. Actually, I'll just write it down, just in case, just so I don't forget. Yes, ignore my mess of a note setup. It works for me. It just, yeah. Test Polonium. But just as like a baseline, I want to give you guys an idea of like where it's at for me right now with Plasma. So, can you alt-tab a few times? Right. So for anyone who, this is what I was going to say before. For anyone who hasn't been listening to me over on the Mastodon side, I have been constantly complaining about the state of Plasma 6. And I don't know if this is the issue with Plasma 6 specifically, or with like the Arch package, because some people are telling me like these issues aren't happening. But if I Alt-Tab, my entire desktop just completely froze. And it's still frozen. I wonder if is it actually going to completely die? Have I actually just broke everything? Nope, we're coming back. Slowly coming back. I noticed my cursor move, unless I've actually just crashed Plasma. Nope, there we go. Okay, yeah. So the entire desktop locked up for about 5-10 seconds there. I couldn't do anything. The same thing happens occasionally with like the overview. It just happened right now. The overview has completely frozen my desktop. And it didn't even open the overview. And then sometimes it happens with the tiling editor as well. Okay, the tiling editor appeared on one of my screens, but it didn't actually show it properly. Let's try that again. There it is. Okay, it worked that time. So it works sometimes, right? But like, it's still sometimes just complete. Also, after it disappears, it still like freezes my mouse cursor. Like there's like a second or so where everything is just completely frozen. Not NVIDIA moment. I'm an AMD user. I am an AMD. For anyone, before anyone says so, I am an AMD user. This is not an NVIDIA issue at all. I have an AMD 6750 XT. Where can I use Plasma 6? Fedora Rawhide should have it, and Arch has it. I would imagine at this point Gentoo has it. I don't know if Gentoo has it yet. Gentoo, Linux, Plasma, Desktop. I'm gonna assume Gentoo's updated their package. Yes, Gentoo has it. Gentoo doesn't have 6.01. So they might have some more bugs, but Arch is on 6.01. I'm pretty sure Rawhide's on 6.01 as well. Yeah, so any of those places. Also, Neon has it as well. I hope GNOME can have HDR sooner. There's a lot of work going on there, so hopefully something can be dealt with. I don't know entirely what's going to happen. What about my CPU? I'm on a 3600X. So, like, stuff that should have absolutely no issue with getting this actually working, right? Yeah, Navarro's on 6.01. Okay, yeah. How long is streaming going? Like, I don't know, 9 minutes. I have 4060 Wayland working with GBM proprietary. Hey, Brodie, is Plasma 6 worth switching right now? I can't, like, here's the thing, right? Everybody is telling me that my issues aren't real. Everybody is telling me that the things that I'm seeing are not issues that are real. Let's try Alt-Tab again. See how long it breaks my desktop for. Okay. Yep. We're frozen. So about 2 seconds it froze there, and it did show the Alt-Tab this time, which is an improvement. And it froze when I let go of the Alt key. So if there's anybody that knows what I could do about that, please let me know. Because there used to be, under display and monitor, there used to be like a compositor setting here where you could like change it from, like you change the latency. You could like force smoothest and force earliest or something like that. But to my understanding, the compositor settings have been completely removed, at least on the Wayland version. Try to change your alt tabs. Is that under desktop effects? Any KDE people? What did that person mean? What did Cal mean by change my alt tab switcher? What am I looking for that? Where do I go for that? Is that under desktop effects? It is under task switcher. Okay, let's have a look. Task switcher. Actually, hold up. Give me a second. I'm just gonna do something for you guys. Shortcuts. Hold up. No, it's not under shortcuts. Desktop effects. Just so it's easier for you guys to see what I'm doing. Zoom. What is it bound? What is? Not that one. Want that? No, we don't want to do that. Zoom in Meta Plus. Okay. Here we go. Just so you guys have a better view of what's going on. Okay, cool. Now we can zoom. So if I need to show you anything, I can do this. cool. Easy. Task switcher. That actually is really cool, by the way. Like, just having that as like a Zoom is very useful for video demos. Hello, my fellow Aussie. How you doing, metal music? Got me some grog. Oh, actually, for anyone who is curious, this is what I'm drinking right now. Peach grog by the Cold Ones. Yes, the Cold Ones YouTube channel. They have a drink. Please install Burn My Windows. Is that even available for Plasma 6 yet? Shout out to Zoom Radio, but not being a checkbox. Right. Okay, that's before we get talk about that as well. I'm gonna jump around talking about a million things. So I really don't like the way they've done this. So you got these checkboxes, right? And then you've got these just two random, what do you call it? Radio buttons. This should have a heading right here. I'm going to, hold up, give me a second. I'm going to change this to the other zoom mode, the one that doesn't suck. Configure, proportional, push. There we go. So that doesn't, so I don't give any of you guys headaches. Yeah, here we go. So there should be a heading right here that says, like, I don't know, visual accessibility, because two random radio buttons here just seems weird and out of place. I don't know why they do it like that, because apparently there used to be a setting. Random radio buttons with no heading in desktop effects. Make it smaller, it's hidden. Yeah, to delineate those two are related. Yeah, because it just seems weird that they are there. Also, I was going to do a task switcher, wasn't I? So what am I looking for in here? Actually, I can't read chat if I do that. I can't read chat if I do it because it seems the entire desktop. Do I alternative? How do I is that what I get? Do I need to like get new task switch? Is that the only one that's actually installed? Click the thumbnail grid and select something. So there's no other task switches installed. So do you not get, unless that's a, is that a, okay, for the record, I've just got Plasma Desktop installed. So if there are extra task switches, they might be in a, another package. I haven't installed the Plasma meta package. So if there are other things, what happens if we click that? What happens? Does it crash? Oh, it not responds. Okay, it's a good start. Oh, here we go. Why didn't I install the meta package? I don't care about most of the KDE, applications. Oh, here we go. Here. The content available here has been uploaded by users. This is the only task switcher. This is the only one. Okay, you know what? We're going to test that one. Please select the option you wish to install from the list of downloadable items below. If it is unclear, please contact... Okay. Pick your installation option, but there's no options. What? Please select the option you wish to install from the list of download... What? Wait, is this confusing to anyone else? So I click the install button. Please select the option you wish to install from the list of downloadable items below. If it is unclear which you should choose out of the available options, please contact the author of this item. Huh? I'm missing well, no, I'm not missing essential packages. I'm missing packages that they allow you to miss because this is a valid way to install it. But like, what is this? I'm so confused. What it's like? Have you tried the Cube desktop yet? Is that part of the? Is that part of the thing? Desktop effects. Is that like pre-installed? No. where do I get the Cube desktop from? What is the Cube desktop package in? Again, I'm not installing Plasma Meta. Plasma 6 Cube desktop. I will install things as I need them. Cube desktop package. There's only an AUR package. Okay, it's on the AUR right now, apparently. Do you use Arch install? Why would I use Arch install? I just added to my existing install. KWinFX Cube. I don't know where it is. Congrats on 69420. Thank you. You need the meta. You don't need the meta. The meta package is a package of other packages. You can install the individual things. It is installed for me, but I use Plasma Meta. Okay, thank you. I will check the Plasma Meta package list. Let's see. Let's have a look what is in Plasma Meta. Is effects cube. Plasma desktop. I'm not seeing anything that looks effecty. Is it KDE Plasma add-ons? Is that it? Is this the thing that has all of the extra things? Because we'll install that. Yes? Okay, we'll install that. Cool. Dash add-ons. Do we need to restart Plasma for this to load? We'll find out. Let's find out. I'm gonna hope not. But I know there's a hotkey to reload it. Or like a command to reload it. So we'll try it. We'll find out. See what happens. How did you break it? I didn't break anything. It's just Plasma's broken. So if I do Alt-Tab, the entire desktop... Oh, it didn't freeze completely that time. Let's try it again. It freezes for a second, and then freezes again after I click something. Before it froze for about 10 seconds. Task switcher. Here we go. There you go. Okay. Cool. Again, this is a valid way to install Plasma. You don't have to install the meta package. The meta package is just a collection of all the packages. Oh, Nico, while you're here, I just want to point something out to you. So, I don't know if you're still listening, but why are there radio buttons here in the desktop effects section and there's no heading here? There's just all of these checkboxes, which makes sense, and then just random radio buttons. I know you can only select one or the other, but to make this clear, there should be a heading here that makes it clear that you are, like, dealing with a subsection here. Anyway, let's see what happens with the other ones. Task switcher. Here we go. So let's try out what cover switch. Sure, let's try out that one. So we go Alt-Tab. That seems to work less bad. That seems a lot better. Hold up. Thumbnail grid. Is thumbnail grid just broken? It seems... Okay, that one... Okay, that one definitely stutters. Cover switch. Try it again. I'm not getting any stutter at all with this one. Huh. Interesting. Now this is stuttering less. It's weird how like the different states of stutter I get with Plasma, right? Like sometimes it's studying, it's stuttering constantly, and then I do it a bunch of times and it tends to stutter less. Let's try the overview now. Okay, that locks up my desktop. Okay, that doesn't change anything. Cool. What is flip switch? Let's try this. Let's have a look at it. Also, I love the fact that whenever you change any desktop setting, your entire desktop freezes as well. That's also fun. Make sure to install KDE add-ons for extra effects. Now YouTube chat works for me. Yo, Rue, how's it going, man? Pretty sure the compositor is Vulkan-based now, so we have many bugs. What the heck is going on with Brave? What do you mean, what the heck's going on with Brave? It's sitting here. It's open. What are you talking about? It's literally... I'm looking at what's happening on the overview. Nothing is happening. What are you talking about? Bloody hot? Yeah, I know. That's why my air conditioner's on. Okay. Well, let's actually... Did that add any extra, like, desktop effects? I wonder. Why can't I type? Oh. Why does it freeze? Well, that goes onto my list of the system settings likes to freeze a lot. That's not a new thing. I already knew about that, but sure. Well, before, oftentimes it just goes not responding. That time it just, it didn't not respond. It just died. Settings manager was lagging in Plasma always. Okay, so that's nothing new. Cool. Let's go desktop effects. Desktop effects. Is that I don't think I added anything new. I think it was... So what is actually in the KDE add-ons? What was actually in... No, that links to Plasma Desktop. What is actually in KDE add-ons? Let's find out. Apparently there's nothing... It doesn't list in the Arch package. KDE add-ons... what is... all kinds of add-ons to improve KDE. Let's see. This is a great documentation. This one. Does it tell me what's inside of it? Okay, wait, we're getting somewhere. All kinds of add-ons to improve Plasma. No, we're not getting anywhere. What is in... Okay, someone who has right access to this repo, can you please add, like, a list here? Like, can I please get a list of what is actually contained in here so I don't have to go and, like, check the things here. Okay, so, cube. Cube is inside of this. Okay, so theoretically, if we go... Search for cube. Cube! Thank you for the follow. Brave is okay for me. There's a way to customize the menu when you right-click on things like desktop. Customize the menu, as in, you mean this thing? Do you mean, like, customize all this? What do you mean? I'm not sure you mean. You need Qt6... Quick 3... You need Qt6 Quick 3D for the cube. What is that? Qt6... Well, it just let me install it, so let's see what happens. We're gonna try it. Meta C. 3, 2, 1. Okay, well, it just freezes my desktop when I press the button. Okay, well, we can't use that. Oh, I didn't apply it. That'll do it. Maybe I'll press the apply button first. That'll help. Try it again. No. No. Need 3 desktop minimum for it to work. That would explain my problem. I've only got 2 of them. Okay. What's it under? What's virtual desktop? Is it called virtual desktop? Virtual... Oh, speaking of that, this is one of the things I really don't like about Plasma. So... Okay, for any of you, like, window manager users out there, you know exactly what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, that was user error. I'm just stupid. So, on a window manager, when you, like, change to a different desktop, say you want to go to, like, desktop 2, for example, right? That will change the desktop on the monitor that you are focused on. I'm not installing the Plasma group. It's not going to happen. Again, this is a valid way to install Plasma. If they don't want it to be a valid way to install Plasma, do not document that it's a valid way to install Plasma. Anyway, so you know how when you change your desktop, it like changes just the monitor that you're on? Plasma doesn't do that. So when you change desktops on Plasma, it changes the desktop for every single one of your screens. So I have 3 monitors right now. So if I go to desktop 2, I can now no longer see OBS on my second monitor or my chat on my third monitor. It changes everything all at the same time. How's it? I can listen for like 30 seconds. How's it going? Let's find out. Super W. My entire desktop froze, and it didn't open the overview. That's how it's going. Anyway, let's add these desktops. Okay, so theoretically, now we should be able to use the cube. Theoretically. Super C. Am I missing something? Why does that not work? Toggle cube. Is there something else I need to enable? Why does this not work? What am I missing? Anyone know why the cube's not working? Do I have something bound over on the same key, do I? Hold up. Shortcuts. It would tell me if I had something bound on the same key. Meta plus C. Control A. Toggle cube. Okay. No, why is the cube not opening? What am I missing? Install. Do I actually is okay? We'll install this package. Let's do that. If I actually need to install a package, it doesn't tell me I need to install a package. That is a problem with Plasma. Is this a clean install? I installed the package. I didn't install an entire new distro. Okay, let's install this. And if I need to install an entire new distro, that's a problem. Okay, now we try it. Maybe I need to restart the desktop. Okay, you know what? Just to be fair, I will restart, what is it? What is the command to reload the thing? Average Arch Linux experience. Arch is fun. Yeah, okay, here's a problem, right? So, if you need to install another package to make the cube work, why isn't there a warning when you enable the cube saying you're missing a dependency? That seems like a problem. Restart KDE. Let's see. What was the command? Right. Here we go. Give me a second. The screen's going to go black for a moment. It's fine. All good. Don't worry about it. Plasma shell -- replace. Is that another way to do it? I'm just going off what I see in Ask Ubuntu. There we go. That's fine. Maybe I'm missing something for the cube. Maybe I need to do like a full restart to make this work. I don't know. I don't use the cube. I don't care about the cube. It doesn't actually affect me. It is sad that we cannot use the cube right now, but I don't... Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on with that. Ask Ubuntu. Yes, ask Ubuntu. Because that's the first place that comes up if I search how to restart Plasma. Not the KDE docs, which is also a problem. It's fine. We're not going to use that anyway. Use 4 virtual desktops. Do I need to have exactly 4? Because I think I have 5. Hold up. Does it only work with exactly 4? Only works with 4. Okay. Sure. Virtual... Oi. Virtual... Okay, you know what? There. Cube used to work with more than 4. 4 doesn't even work for me. I don't know why. Oh, are we getting mixed responses here? Some people are saying it works with more than 4. Some with only 4. It seems like no one actually knows. And some people are just saying it doesn't work at all. It seems like there might be some mixed opinions in chat about the cube. Cube does not function for me. You did not enable... I know I've not got the cube enabled right now. I disabled it. Cube has 6 sides. I'm aware how many sides a cube has. Not 5, not 4, nor 5. The cube divides. Yeah, that's not doing anything. I might need to do a full restart of Plasma, so I'm not really sure. As I said, I don't really care about the cube. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Install Minecraft, it fixes it. I'm sure it does. That might be user error. I don't know about that. I'll test that properly after the stream. I might need to do like a full restart for it. I literally cannot restart right now or it'll break the entire stream. I'm not gonna do that at this moment. Test cube off stream. Restart desktop. Plasma for tinkerers who can do it 24/7. Use GNOME then. You don't have a separate system for streaming? I don't, sadly. I should do that at some point. Yeah, this is running on my system. You have to restart for major changes to properly render. I restarted the Plasma shell. Enable desktop polyhedron. Actually, someone said Plasma shell -- replace. Let's just do that. -- replace. Let's see what this is going to do. I'm going to trust them. Don't trust people in chat. Bad idea. Okay. Oh, so it's just like a shortcut to do what I was doing before. Okay, that's fine. Does Plasma 6 alter the way config is stored similar to how Plasma 5 did? I don't know. Trust them. Okay, apparently if I close that terminal window now, because it's, give me a sec. Plasma shell -- replace. Let's do that. Okay, that was my bad. Actually, that's still my bad. How do I fork a process in the background? Sudo, because that works with some things. You know, I'm just gonna do this. Is it exec? Try runner with KRunner. I've got like 20 different answers. I love this. This is awesome. Just K-start it? Actually, that's a good point. I can just K-start it, can't I? -- replace. Boom. Okay, I can't do it. I can't K-start my desktop. Kwin -- replace. No, I love it. I've got like 20 different answers. This is awesome. Alt F2. I could just leave the terminal window open. You know what? We're going to try this one. Here we go. I'm just going to run random. No, I mean K-start. Oh, God. What did I just do? Undo. Sorry, I just hid someone's message. My bad. I apologize for that. It works without the -- Does it? Okay, K-start, Plasma shell. Here we go. There we go. It's fine. And close that. Okay, now we're good. Cool. Desktop set. No, I'm not going to run. I know what some of your commands are doing. Yeah, apologies for doing that to your message. There we go. We're back. We got the desktop back open. That Plasma user. No, I'm a tiling window manager user, actually. I just happen to be on Plasma. Just this is a moment. Sudo, please work. So if we enable the cube now, let's try it again. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I need to do like a full restart. They might need to like be running something in the background, and I need to like do a full proper restart for it. It's fine. Plasma tiling D when? Actually, you know, I don't hate the tiling, right? Like this. So for anyone who doesn't know how plasma tiling works, okay, you know, I don't hate the tiling. I think the tiling is just, it just needs to go back in the oven a bit more. So let me just show you. So we have this tiling editor thing we have this tiling editor thing here. So you can like, basically it's kind of like window splits, but customizable. It's not really tiling. So I could do something like split this horizontally, and then if I hold down the shift key when I drag a window, it has basically these predefined locations I can split into. So it's not really tiling. It's more like fancy. It's more like fancy zones. Yeah, exactly. It does a job. I don't think it does enough, because here's the problem I have, right? So if you go like this, and then you go like this, you just have this weird spot here. It doesn't automatically, it doesn't like dynamically change the layout. Like what I would like to see, right, is if you tile one window, so you tile this window, for example, if you only have one window tiled, instead of doing this, it instead does basically this. Well, not full screen, but like, it fills out the entire space, right? And then if you tile a second window, so you tile this one, it should what it should do is, instead of filling up that, fill up this. Why is that not letting me expand it more? Okay, Alacrity is weird. Doesn't go any bigger than that for some reason. That's not KDE's fault. That's Alacrity being weird. But you get my point, right? And then if you tile a third window, it should tile in here, like automatically. Brodie wants it to work like a GNOME tiling assistant. I want it to work like tiling. If they're going to call it tiling, I want it to be tiling. Because what it is right now isn't tiling. It's fancy zones. And that's fine. It's like, it is a step in like the right direction, but it's not tiling. I will be doing a dedicated video on tiling. I'll also be doing, if you see it here, I'll also be doing a video on Polonium when that gets updated as well. But like, the native tiling is not tiling at all. I refuse to call it tiling. I don't care what the KDE devs want to call it. It's not tiling. It is fancy zones. And that's fine. If that's what they want to do, if they want to do fancy zones, they can absolutely do that. It's just not tiling. Fancy zones more functional. I've not extensively messed around with it. Like, fancy zones is just the example. How about KDE's new floating panel? Here we go. Floating. There you go. It's floating. I'll zoom in so you guys can actually see it. It's floating. Crazy. Look at that. Whoa. Look at that. I love how this was such a big deal. And it's like every single window manager bar has been able to do this literally forever. And like, look at this. Whoa. Whoa, it's floating. Crazy. Look at that. Floating. I love that it was such a big deal for them. I genuinely do. Because like, and look at this. Whoa, it's floating as well. Here we go. Whoa. Like, literally look at any window manager, Rice, and people have done this for years. Like, this is not like a crazy exceptional feature that like, like no one's ever done. Like, this has been a basic window manager feature for like 20 years. Love Latte Doc. I've never messed around with it. How you doing? I'm doing pretty good. It's not maintained. Use Cafe Doc. Floating was available in Plasma 5. Yeah, I know it was available in Plasma 5. It was available towards the end. Panels floating on my desktop just as gimmicky as the cube. I don't like the floating panel. If you couldn't tell by the fact that it's disabled. Yeah, I don't like the floating panel. Like, I get that, like, it's fancy and all that sort of stuff, and oh, it's new. I don't like it. I like my bar touching the bottom of my screen. I don't like there being, like, extra stuff around it. That's just not my thing. Actually, one thing that does annoy me about edit mode. So, edit mode is, like, how you add, like, new panels. So, I want to, like, add a widget, right? I want to add, like, I don't know, a camera indicator. Why did it say suspended? That's not... Wait, hold up. Why did it say suspended? The camera's literally I'm literally using the camera right now. What do you... Eh? Is this broken? Suspended. I'm so confused by... The camera it's saying there is the camera that you're seeing right now. Yeah, no, that's the only camera I have plugged in. Also, I don't know why there's two of them. There's Camlink 4K and Camlink 4K 4K. This is not real. This is what I'm using in OBS. I don't think that widget works. I actually think that might be broken. That's something new. I didn't know that. Camera widget is broken. Someone is watching you. I think that means it's being used by something else. If that's what it means, that's very confusing. No, I don't want to open that. I want to... Yeah, if that's what that means, that is not, like, useful to the user. What it should say is... What it should say is in use. Like, what does suspended mean? Like, that's not at all clear what that's supposed to be indicating. Yeah. How do you switch desktop so fast? I have hotkeys. Oh, also, I'm outside of edit mode, but this is still here for some reason. I've noticed that sometimes the edit mode panels sometimes continue to like appear outside of edit mode, and like it just gets stuck on your screen, which is weird. Yeah, I should probably mention that as well. What did I mention about edit mode? I've had issues where edit mode seemed really laggy. So I don't know. It wasn't laggy that time, so I don't know what the deal was before. Edit mode panels get stuck on your screen. What hotkey do you use? I'll show you. Here we go. So desktop, is that what it's called? Yeah. Yeah. So here's how we swap. Super 1, Super 2, Super 3, Super 4. I should probably bind the rest, shouldn't I? Super 5, Super 6. I skipped one. Here we go. Super 7. Super. No, not 8. No. Oi. Let me click the Super 8. Super 9. Okay, we're good now. And I guess we'll do that as well. Cool. Yeah, that's how I swap. I just use my numbers. I guess technically I could. What's the other binding they have? Switch. I know that KDE has this like idea where you can like lay out the virtual desktops. You can choose a grid layout sort of thing for them. I don't do that. I just put them next to each other. I don't. I literally don't see any value. I've got one row here. I have one row. They are all next to each other. I literally don't see any value in doing like squares and stuff with them. Does super mouse wheel work? I don't think you can bind the mouse. Actually, hold up. Actually, you might be able to do that. Sure. Let me just check. Switch. Switch to the... You know, we're going to try something. If I go... you can't do mouse bindings. Or at least you can't... Yeah, you can't do mouse bindings. Okay. So, no, that does not work. Sadly. You can bind it in the config. Okay, so you can't bind it in the graphical display with that. But you can bind it... Okay, sure. Relax, my brother. Take a breather. Arch depths issue. You need some Qt6 libraries. I just run sudo Qt6. Well, I have Qt6 installed. I'm well aware that I have Qt6 installed. Move the chat away? Yeah, but like... You guys want to be on the screen because that's what chat is. That's how this works. You guys want to be on the screen. I could make the whole thing transparent, actually. Yeah, see, if you guys want to be like, press the 100 thing and appear on screen because that's how streams work. Hi, Mum, I'm on TV. It's a whole thing above your head. What do you mean above my head? What are you talking about? I'm in the screen. Exactly. See. You make a list suggestion you have and send them to Nico. I'm going to make... Well, you can see I've got 56 lines in my notes. Actually, 52 if you start from here. I'm going to make a bunch of bug reports. Especially this one. Okay, I forgot. Okay, that worked with that one now. Let's go back to the other one, the one that doesn't work. Task switcher, that's what it's called. Task switcher. Thumbnail grid. Let's go back to the one that doesn't work. Okay, now it's working. See, this is weird, right? Like, sometimes it doesn't work. Now it's working. Why is it working now? I'm not sure. Before it was lagging. Okay, that's still having a minor stutter at the end. I don't know, it's weird. Press tab key multiple times while holding Alt. I know how it works. But now I'm not getting my stutter issue. Which is weird. I had it work, like, it's been going through different stutters. Different stutters. Different, system launches. So, I don't know. Super T. We're still getting a minor stutter, but it's not as bad as it was. Yeah, there's still definitely a stutter there. It's just not as bad as it was. Super G. What does Super G do? What the hell is this? Yeah, there's like a minor stutter after I selected it. But it's not, like, locking up my entire desktop like we saw before. But, like, I literally had it on stream that it was freezing my entire desktop. So, I don't know. What am I drinking? I'm drinking grog. Are you on a VM? No, I do not. No, I'm not. I'm on hardware. I'm on my actual system. What software do you use for streaming on Linux? I am using OBS. You guys can see like 100 of yourself now. Yeah, I'm using OBS because why would I use anything else? Like, what even is there I could use besides OBS? Is that proper grog with battery? No, it is literally cold. Is literally cold grog. You can't see it because it's focusing on my face. FFmpeg, that's fair. I could do a Luke stream. Does KDE support per output workspaces yet? We were talking about this before. No. Actually, give me a second. I'm for any of you window manager people who've never actually experienced what KDE is like in this regard. I'm going to show you what the window switching is like. Or what the desktop switching is like. So if we do screen capture, I'm going to do something real funky. So ignore me for a moment. Okay, here we go. Okay, so what this window right here, this is my third monitor. So if I swap workspaces, you're going to see this panel on the right-hand side also swap as well. So when I swap workspaces, it swaps every single screen I have. I don't like it. I know there's some people that do. I don't. I am not one of those people. Yeah, apparently, there is... So, I'm going to show you something wild, right? There is I believe it's a 20-year-old bug report about this. Where is KDE bug tracker? Where is it? No, not latency. Here it is. So, per screen virtual desktops. This was reported in 2005. This is going on 20 years old. And, yeah, people are like, oh, maybe we'll get it in KDE. I think it was like one about here. Maybe we'll get it in KDE 4. Has this been implemented in KDE 4? This is back in 2008. This guy was talking about it. And people have been asking about this all the time. Now, there is a YouTube talk about this. So at Academy 2023, once again, Plasma making a big deal out of features that are basic window manager features. Like, Plasma making a big deal about the fact that, oh, look, you can swap individual desktops. Oh, look, you can have this bar being floating, a feature that's existed in every other bar for the past however long there's been bars for. It's kind of cute to me how long it takes desktop environments to implement, like, basic window manager features. It is really, really adorable. The bug report is a legal adult. It's not allowed to drink in America. It's only 19. It's possible to make Windows stick to all workspace no matter what. I think you would find that useful. That I would actually. How... I know that I could do that with window rules. Is there a way to, like, do it generically for every window? Because, like, obviously I could do individual windows for that, and that just, yeah, not very useful. Right-click title, but... Oh, there's a... Wait, what the hell? Why did that menu not appear? Wait, title bar. Do you mean like this thing? What? You guys are seeing that, right? Why is that not rendering? So if I do that... Why do I need to do that on individual windows? Wait, so if I do... Hold up. If I do that... And I do... I'm going to do this to the things I want to see. Is there like a... Is there like an easier way I can do this to make it automatically happen? Or do I need to manually do this every time I want it to happen? Because if I need to manually do it, that's really annoying. Window rules? Okay, that's fair. Yeah, I knew I could window rule. I just didn't know if there was an easier way. Ideally, you can keybind it. Is there an actual... So, is there a command I can run to do that? Because I know that I could do it. Assuming there is a command to do so. Which window? I didn't add a window... Oh, these window rules? I can show you the window rules. Yeah, that's fine. So... Edit. Here we go. So... Basically, what this one does is it spawns it on my left-hand screen and it makes it full screen. So, okay, am I stupid, right? Am I stupid, or is there not a way to choose the monitor you want the window to spawn on? Because you can choose the position, but is there a monitor option and I'm just stupid? Because I couldn't see a monitor option... And I might genuinely just be... Why is that there now? Wait, was this part of KDE add-ons? Hold up. Was this part of KDE add-ons and not part of the main desktop? I need to check that afterwards. Because I could not see that. Also, wait. Hold up. What does that actually search for? Monitor Okay. Okay, KDE, we need to talk. Okay, we need to talk. Can we not do this? Can we not do monitor numbers? Monitor numbers are not consistent. These are not consistent. It should be based on your, what do you call it? Your output names. Hyperland user discovers features he hates. No, I don't discover features he hates it. KDE is discovering features that every other window manager has. Like, half the features I'm discovering are things that everything else has done for, like, 20 years. Yeah, this should be output name. This should not be based on a number. Numbers can change very, very easily. And that can very easily lead to things being placed in the wrong location. That is not how that should be done at all. You know, this wouldn't be a problem with waiting to allow Windows to remember the position. There is a protocol for that. It's in the works. So... soon, maybe. I'm gonna... Give me a second, I'll write that down as well. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that screen addition was part of KDE add-ons, so I don't remember seeing that yesterday. I could also be stupid. Screen window rule should be based on output name, not number. Chat, what are we trying to do again? Apparently just give me random information, I try it. Is he stupid? Yes. You're saying this a while back. He's trying to work around Plasma's lack of features he used to existing on Hyperplane. Exactly. That's actually the way I feel in some cases. There are some things I do really like about Plasma. So, I feel like it's way too lenient by default. The window, the border snapping. So by default, it's set to like 10 pixels, which means you got to get like right up against it to do it. I set it to 30. And honestly, I really like the border snapping. I think the border snapping is super useful. I don't really know why they've got it set so lenient by default. I think it's under like, is it under like Kwin? Screen edges? No, what is it set to? I don't remember what it's under. Window management, that's what it's under. It shouldn't be output name, but location. Location also works. That's fair. Location, bottom. No, actually, no, I wouldn't say that because you can have multiple monitors that are left. Yeah, that leads to more weird situations. Is there a way to differentiate monitors by their input name if they have the exact same model? Yeah. Well, not input name. So, not the name of the monitor itself, but if we run... Not that, X-render. So, each of your outputs, like, the things are plugged into, have a name, and these are unique. So, these are based on what you've actually got plugged in. So, I've got one of my monitors plugged into DP2, one of them into HDMI A1. These names might be different based on your specific hardware, but they'll be consistent on your machine. And then I've got a monitor plugged into DP1. Yeah. Also, in case you didn't know, Xrender does actually work. Like, it will run if you run it under Wayland. It's not going to do anything, but it will run. Because this has to be working for X-Wayland's work. Also, on Plasma 6 Wayland, I have Google Chromium hardware acceleration does not work, only software. I don't use Google Chromium at all. What theme are you using for Brave? Settings. I think it's just like whatever the GTK, the basic GTK dark theme. Appearance. Oh, it's just, I don't remember what GTK theme I've got set up, actually. It's one of the very common ones. I don't remember. Hold up. .config /GTK. I'll tell you. Give me a second. Breeze Dark? Actually, it might be Breeze... It might actually just be Breeze Dark. Yeah. Was it? No, that's wrong. Okay, no. Right, there's like 7 different ways to set it. I think it is Breeze Dark. I think it is the GTK version of Breeze Dark. Yeah, it might be. Still putting the terminal behind the chat. I'll do what I want. It's my stream. Yo, how's it going? They couldn't see that because of it. Well, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna do it like this. This is what I'm gonna do for the rest of the stream. I'm gonna do everything like this, so you extra can't see it. Read my last chat message. What is your last chat message? Let's find out. Windows 7 users are the weirdest people. True though. Yeah. Oh, God. Try Super C now since you restarted the show. I got the setting disabled. We literally went through this before. I probably need to do a system restart to get it to work. The one before that. Did you know Yuzu and Stitcher got noticed by Nintendo because of Windows 7 user? No, it didn't. No, that's a Reddit meme. There's some weirdo on Reddit who sent them emails, but no. I hate those people. Anyone who says you never need to restart Linux should be banned from using Linux. How's Plasma 6 so far? Kind of afraid to upgrade. Well, if you were here early for the stream, we were having some weird stutter issues. The stutter issues have mostly kind of gone away. There's still minor stutter issues. Oh, there it is. Okay, it came back for a second. Just works. Well, if you're on Arch, if you upgrade, then you're going to be forced on Plasma 6. So, yeah. Go to Windows 7 subreddit if you want to see comedy and receive brain damage. How did you know I never do security up to my server? Jesus Christ. I hope you're actually joking. You don't need to restart less than Windows. You don't need... Oh, here's the thing, right? On Linux, you don't need to restart. You should restart. The bitrate's kind of dying. That's weird. It seems like it's been fine the entire time from my end. Yeah, you don't need to restart. Like, it's not going to force you to restart, but you should restart because there's some things that are a pain in the ass to update if you don't restart. Wait, what is this? Clock. The only issue for me after upgrading was my clock widget being out of date. What do you mean clock widget being out of date? Oh, actually, that's one thing I really do like. I really like the fact that I can just be like... No, I'm not going to use that one. I really like the fact that I can just be like, I want a clock here. Like, boom. I got a clock now. It's just there. Like, that I think is super, super cool. Like, there are some things about Plasma I think are really cool. This is one of them. Like, the being able to just place widgets wherever you want, very nice. I never see my desktop. I have like extra monitors that I don't always use, so sometimes I just have free space, and I like to do the hide bar thing, so I don't always have a clock there. Dang, it's a different time for you streaming. Love it. Watching my work, all at work. Gotta love working a night job. Yeah, I usually when I do weekend streams, restart if NVIDIA. I hope you're talking with us in chat because I'm on AMD. Yo, Dodo, how's it going, man? What is your time zone? You're here for my morning streams and you're here at 8 p.m. There actually were people asking about whether Breeze was going to be like it's gonna have like a new theme. I'll see if I can find those talks. KDE Plasma. It was like a Reddit discussion, I think. People are asking whether Breeze was gonna get like a big update. I don't know where it was. I don't know what the post was called, but yeah, no. If you've used Plasma 5, this is just Plasma 5. Is Plasma 5 in a different toolkit? Like, it looks exactly the same. There's nothing to worry about. What's your Aussie time zone? Hold up. If we go configure. Show time zone. There you go. Now you have my time zone. ACDT, not ACDC. ACDT. There you go. I like the Plasma 6 like Plasma 5. ACDT is a good rock and roll band. ACDC time zone. That is 10 plus 1030. Yeah, plus 1030. Are we at 69,420? I was at 69,420 yesterday. I just wanted to do a stream. I hate time zone naming. There's a couple of time zones with actually IST. IST, I believe, is one of them. I believe there's 2 time zones called IST. I might be... No, maybe I'm thinking of another one. No, it's not IST. What am I thinking of? No, what am I thinking of? It's not IST. Ew, half-hour time zones? No, they're stupid. They are stupid. You are right. We actually have technically 45-minute time zones as well. They're just not official. CET. EST, I think. The world before standardized time was wild. Well, the world before clocks would have been wild, right? Like, you don't need to acknowledge what time is. You're just like, oh, sun is up. Get out of bed. Sun is down. Go to bed. Like, who cares what we don't know what time it is. We don't have clocks. Let's say clocks existed, but there was still just the clock in town. You didn't actually have a clock in your house. It's like, oh, it's sunrise time. They had sundials. Did random farmers just have sundials? I can't imagine random farmers just had sundials. Like, I know sundials were a thing, and you would use them if you needed to know the time. But, like, did random, just, like, average peasants need to know the time? I don't think so. I'm pretty sure they didn't. Maybe they did. I don't know. I don't know history very well. Yes, random farmers would build sundial. But, like, do you need to know the time if you just run in a farm? You just get up when the sun rises? Like, does it really matter if you actually knew the time? Like, you're gonna work all day anyway. Like, does it actually matter? It's like, oh, sun is above my head now. I guess it's, like, the middle of the day. Just go to work after breakfast, exactly. You get up before the sun. You get up, you just get up. KDE, rolling with that. No, actually, I'm using the default wallpaper. Actually, this is one thing I noticed, right? So, let me know if this happens when you test it out. Because when I changed from breeze light to breeze dark, like, you can see there's the light wallpaper here and the dark wallpaper. It didn't actually change to the dark wallpaper when I swapped to the dark mode. I'm using the dark wallpaper, but I had to, like, manually change from, like, the setting they have here, where it's, like, dark and light wallpaper, and, like, manually load the dark wallpaper. So I don't know if, like, what the deal is there, like, why that's doing that. Let's just change it now, see what happens. Is it gonna go to the white wallpaper or the dark wallpaper? Oh, now it's working. Why is it working now? What? I don't know what was broken before. Maybe I was missing a dependency? I don't know. Again, this is what I was saying before about maybe it worked for me in maybe plasma-addons? Again, this is what I'm saying about Plasma Desktop. So, Plasma Desktop is an official way to install Plasma. Like, the just downloading the desktop by itself is an official way to install Plasma. But there are so many things which just don't work like they should, and don't give you warnings about it when you do so. Well, there was a thing in here. Yeah, maybe if KDE add-ons actually had a description about what the hell it did. Maybe that is what fixed it. I don't even know. Let's apply that one. And I guess those ones are working now. I'll test that afterwards. Maybe that is a KDE add-on. Maybe KDE add-ons? Question mark? I thought on Arch you're meant to use Plasma Meta. Well, they have the desktop package available, and that's like a way to install Plasma. So, yeah. Yeah. Here we go. So let me just show you a couple of things. Okay, so I've got two things to show you. This is why I don't like floating window managers, by the way. In case you weren't sure, this is why I hate them. Let's go over to this desktop. Okay, okay, so we've got two. Why did that close? Oh, my browser crashed. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Brave. I appreciate it.
Protocol floating around about workspaces. That
What is playing?
Virtual...
Stop talking. Stop it. Thank you, Brave. I appreciate it. I really do. Thank you. I don't know if that was because of Brave or something else. Brave L. I don't know what the deal with that was. Thank you, Brave. Make my life wonderful. Anyway, back to what I was saying. That one goes over here. Yes. Okay. So what I was saying before I got cut off by Brave dying. KDE. Recommendations. Here we go. Okay, cool. Don't need this. Close that. Okay. L die. Okay, so here is we've got the Arch wiki on this side. We've got the, hold up. Give me a second. Let me get the tiling editor open. When it eventually decides to work. There we go. Okay, cool. So this is the Arch documentation. I'm going to hide you guys for a moment. Here we go. Chat overlay, I swear, Brodie. It's fine. I can hide things. Anyway, what is this stream about? This stream's about KDE. So this is the Arch documentation. Over here we have the KDE documentation. So this is what the Arch documentation has to say about installing Plasma. Install the Plasma meta package or the Plasma group for differences between Plasma meta and Plasma reference package group and the Plasma. Wait, for differences between Plasma meta and Plasma, refer to this right here. Alternatively, for a more minimal Plasma installation, install Plasma Desktop. Okay, so here is the KDE documentation on installing Plasma. So, recommended packages to pre-install. These are packages that we recommend you pre-install by default or install when the user installs your KDE Plasma desktop meta package. So, these are recommendations, not requirements. Plasma Desktop itself, again, is fine if you... no, I can see you. You can't see you guys. I still have this window right... Okay, you can't see because it's behind the thing. I still have this window right here. I can see you guys. Don't worry about that. You guys can't see you guys, though. There are random things in Plasma where they just assume that you have... Why did that stay frozen there? Where they just assume you have the entire meta package installed and don't crash out and crash out because things are missing. Instead of doing what you would probably expect to happen, which is throw an error message, be like, yo, stupid, install this. Again, this is a thing that window managers have done literally forever, and for some reason is like this crazy idea that desktop environments need to like reinvent the wheel for. Who even are Arch devs? They're people that like to make your life a misery. Where was it? There was something I found that crashed or crashed the system settings if I opened it. What was it under? I should have written down what page it was under. Arch has devs. Plasma meta on Arch is actually quite minimal. Well, yeah, no, it's not every single Plasma package, for sure. But I think Plasma needs to do a better job at making it clear when you are missing a package. Inform user when they are missing dependencies for minimal install. Also said there, Plasma maintainers and Arch make our life a misery. Yeah, why do they have gamepad settings here? So, actually, no, here's... Okay, you want to know what I have to say about Plasma being weird and like doing the super minimal install? Okay, so if you just install Plasma Desktop, we already saw that like you don't get KDE add-ons, right? That's fair. Do you know what you also don't get? I'm going to show you what you don't get. So there is a package called Kscreen. Now, do you know what Kscreen does? Do you know what screen management means? Why is that an external package? So what that does is it provides this. It provides display configuration. Why is that an extra package? Like, why is that not just part of Plasma Desktop? I don't understand why that's even optional. Like, drawing tablet support or drawing tablet configuration This actually doesn't work because I have Open Tablet Driver installed, so it takes this instead. Not everyone has multiple monitors. Not everyone has a drawing tablet. Not everyone has game controllers. Why are game controller configuration and drawing tablet configuration part of Plasma Desktop, but K-Screen is an extra thing? Why? Why? I don't... I don't have K-Screen, I have screen management. Did Arch split? Yeah, you do have it. What graphical tablet do I use? This is a one by Wacom, the CTL 472. Isn't K-Screen for screenshot? No, that is Spectacle. That would be this one, which I did install. I never look at the Spectacle UI because it sucks. Instead, I just press my print key and it takes a screenshot. If we go over here, you can see the notification. Yeah, I did install Spectacle. Why is tablet configuration and game controller part of Plasma Desktop, but not screen config? Settings not fixed like GNOME. It's kind of weird they separate the feature. I don't know why. I genuinely don't know why they separate the feature. I'm kind of excited for Cosmic, right? I want to see what the Cosmic devs... end up doing. Because I know that the Cosmic devs are very window managery focused. Like, they've got like they're like, Cosmic is basically a window manager, a tiling window manager glued onto GNOME in the current state, like in the GNOME version. So I'm kind of curious to see what they end up doing, and I feel like they will have a lot more of a understanding of how to do tiling, not whatever this is. This is, once again, this is not tiling, this is fancy zones. And it's fine. It works fine as fancy zone, but it's not tiling. I'm feeling that will be one last visit to Plasma. I'm going to be using Plasma for about a month. So here's what my plan is for Plasma. I'm going to do my first impressions video. Does Flameshot still have any kind of Wayland problems? I don't use Flameshot at this point. I've always had issues with the Qt library stuff with Flameshot. On Hyperland, I use... What do I use on Hyperland, actually? Hold up. Give me a sec. I'll find out. Hyper. Is it... Do you use... What do I use? Print. Oh, right. I use Grim. So this is how I do printing on Hyperland. So Grim-G slurp. Basically, this says, take a screenshot, select an area. And this is... take a screenshot of the focus of the focus monitor. Yeah. Yeah. That's how I do it on Hyperland. And here I use Spectacle. Is that thorium? I thought you hated it. Is what thorium? What? Wait, is what? No, this is chromium. No, this is just chromium. It's not thorium. It's literally just chromium. Isn't this already kind of your first impression stream? No, this is more about like testing stuff. Use Edge goated browser. I'm sure it is. I want to do Chris Titus OS. Is the one who likes thorium. That is true. Is there anything that you guys want me to like test out? By the way, like any things you want me to search for to see if they exist in Plasma 6 or anything like that? Anything you want me to like try out? Use Internet Explorer. Yes, true. Because I'm happy to mess around with anything, really. I don't have any like real plans for the streams. Tiling extensions. Those don't exist. There are no the tiling extensions don't exist yet. Check if KDE 4 theme still exists. Bing search. Oh god, you guys are all saying stupid things. Does HDR work well for you? I cannot comment on that. I don't have an HDR screen. Actually, where would you normally go for finding Plasma themes? Have you tried the Cube? Literally couldn't get it to work. Where would one normally go to find themes? No, I mean new themes, not themes I already have. I know that we can set a theme. Get new. Let's find out. How many? Well, that's. Oh. Okay. Hold up. Apple Ventura. Wait, let's see how many themes we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 themes, brother. 14 themes. Not all themes work. Does that do anything? What is it? Oh! Okay, I go back to what I was saying before about very vague. So you guys remember that error message we saw before? Hold up, let me just go back to that task switcher one. Does that now work? Do I actually need to have KDE add-ons installed to get that to show up? Hold up. Get new task switches. Install. No. Okay, that's still good. If anyone knows what the hell this error message means, please tell me. I really would like to know what that means. Theme. Where's my theme? Didn't I just install it? Use. To be fair, it has got 3 out of 5 stars. So it might just be a broken theme. It looks like it doesn't... Let's uninstall that. Let's try another one. Let's see if another one works. I love how every theme in here has, like, terrible score. Like, look at the ratings here for the themes. Like, there's nothing that has a good rating. Everything sucks. Every single theme is terrible. Well, this one is probably the best one we have. 3.5 stars. Sort by rating. Highest rated first. No items. Okay. 7.4. That's the least terrible. I'm guessing this is like a... Also, here's the thing about themes, right? I actually, you know what? Here's my hot take. I actually think the GNOME devs are onto something when they say stop theming my app. I actually like Breeze Dark. Here's my hot take. I actually think Breeze Dark looks really good. I don't want to use a different theme. I like Breeze Dark. I think it genuinely is a good looking theme. There's some minor things I would tweak about it. Personally, I like having my focused window have like a colored border. That's the only thing I would change. So, see how we have like an accent color? What I would do is I would use this accent color to highlight the focused window. That is the only thing I would do to make it different. Color borders are overrated. I like it. Make it toggleable. Focused, having a focus window having a colored focus window having a... Hold up, am I dumb? Focus window having a colored window. No, that's a dumb sentence. Okay, so it is happening in 6.1 apparently, or at least it should. I need another drink. I've ran out of grog. I'll be back in a moment. Didn't you mention you also hate minimize? Oh yeah, here's the other thing I hate. What are these? I hate these icons. Why is that minimize? Why is that maximize? Why does down mean minimize and up mean maximize? Like, that's stupid. I hate it. Just arrow? Yeah, just copy Windows. Because down means go to dock. That's stupid. Is this one going to explode? Hold up, I'll make this full screen. Let's find out. A little bit. No, we're good. Okay, cool. The last one I had did explode, and that was sad. Use Discover to more easily fine-tune theming. I actually don't even have Discover installed. I've literally never even considered using Discover. Let's install Discover. Discoverer. True. You never discovered Discover. Well, I've discovered it. I'm discovering it right now. I just don't use it. I know that Nico, one of the Plasma devs, has shown off focus color to tint the active window. Don't know, sure if it made it into the release version. If it is, I don't know where the setting is. Discover. Okay. Theoretically, this should do something. Maybe it didn't work because you didn't install Discover, the theme store. Discover is not the theme store. It's... Discover is not a theme store. It's a software center. It's not the theme store. It does more than install themes. Maybe that's all you use it for, but then that's not the only thing it does. Check installed tab. Okay. Well, we're still looking. To be specific, it's a package kit interface. That's fair. I did have the package kit dev on my podcast, in case you didn't know. Actually, in case you... Here's another thing. In case you didn't know who... Well, one of the devs, at least. Not like the guy who started it, but like one of the other devs. In case you didn't know... does it say it on the Wikipedia page? It doesn't say it on here. Matthias Klump is also... that was the guy who did the whole window window positioning stuff. He also works on package kit. Okay, this install... Is this all my... Oh, that's all my flat packs. Updates. Yeah, I've not updated a bunch of my flat packs, have I? Path of Building. In case you didn't know, I do play Path of Exile sometimes, so I do have Path of Building installed. Now, what am I looking for? Themes. Where do I go? How do I use this application? You don't have package kit Pacman backend by default on Arch. Application lookups won't work, only themes. Well, yeah, that's fair. Wait, it's showing me something. Plasma-addons themes. Plasma-addons, okay. Global themes, okay. 11 ratings. Nothing global theme. What terrible theme should we install? Do we install 7 Aero, Apple Ventura? Those are your options. I will not accept any other options. Those are your options. Aero or Ventura. Okay, well, let's install that. Tasks. Oh. Okay, it did a thing. Theoretically, that means it should be installed. Theoretically. Well, it says it's there, so let's just restart the window. Maybe it needs to, like, reload the window to actually show the theme there. Did you guys even... Whatever. Windows 7 was based. True. Aero theme doesn't work. Well, we already established that, but... No, you need to click... You need to click no, this literally, yes. Do you not see that I clicked the install button? That is why there is a trash can there now. You have to click why is the settings not opening? Why are my system settings crashing? Well, let's uninstall the theme. They're still crashing. Okay, you know what? Let's do K-start plasma shell. We'll restart the plasma shell. Hold up. Let's just make sure we kill the plasma shell first. Okay. Well, we broke the settings somehow. Might have to kill my system settings. What is the process called? How do I what's the settings? How do I launch it from the terminal? What is the thing called system settings? Okay. It just silently crashes. KDE settings. No. I don't think you know. Okay, it is system settings. Okay, we have something here. System. Oi. What? System settings. We're not going to kill system D. That seems like a bad idea. Oh, there we go. So it was silently crashing in the background. I love that. Might silently crash. Beautiful. Okay, let's try that again. We bring it back open. Do you come back open? Okay, cool. Now install the theme again. Cool. I have never had this happen. Well, that's why you're here. That's why you're dealing with me here. Global themes. Switch to XFCE. Okay, let's install the... I was gonna say, I don't think the theme is what is causing my desktop to crash. Or my settings to crash. Themes. Why is it not here? Get new. Do I actually have to go to get new to do it? Okay, it's here. Do I like just click on use now and it works? Well, we already established the theme was broken. Because it's not a global theme? Then why let me install it as a global theme? Why do you let me do this? Okay, we're gonna try another theme. Go to regular theme, not global. Okay. What is that? Plasma style? No. What am I looking for? Application style. Use Ventura, it's great. Maybe use Cavantum. Try Ventura. Okay, I'll try Ventura. Ah. Yes. I love vague error messages. Clearly I know exactly what that means. Well, here goes back to what I was saying before. I like Breeze Dark. I think Breeze Dark looks good. I don't know what's going on with those error messages. Hey, yeah, at least there is an error message. Very true. Discover vague error message with theme install. Cavantum is just one more layer to crash. Select Breeze Classic. Like Breeze Light? What do you mean Breeze Classic? Are those themes in updated work for Plasma 6? They are listed here. So if they're not, then they shouldn't be. Well, this one says it is. The Apple Ventura one. The one that crashes. Oh, it gives us the same vague error message. I guess there's something wrong with that theme. Like, with the theme upload? I don't know. I guess that theme is genuinely... Okay, I'm going to close that window. I don't want to see the error message more. Go to colors. Okay, we'll go... colors. What about colors? This is where we set, like, accent colors. Try the vivid theme. Okay. You know what? I'll try the vivid theme. Where was it? Vivid Dark Global. This looks like it might give me another vague error message. Oh! Here we go. Here's another one. Download of Vivid Dark Global 6 failed. Server stopped accepting new streams before this stream was established. Did one of you guys DDoS their server? Gen 2 also has 6.01. No, this happened since KDE 4. Oh, and then if you try to close the error message, it just brings the error. Oh, there we go. 5 clicks and it will show you. Lovely. As I said, I think Breeze Dark looks good. I don't need to worry about the themes not working at all. The theme install's not working at all. Sadly, it breaks in some applications from my experience. Get invisible title bar on those applications. I use KDE, by the way. That's weird. The theme worked for me in Neon. Try installing with Discover. Okay, we saw the same error message in Discover, but I'll just for you, just for IoTKU, I will do it just for you. That's why I've never liked Plasma theming. Just don't run any custom themes, and it won't be a problem. Oh, it's going to try to search every category. Okay. Please stop. Please stop. Let me just click install. Do we get vague error message? Oh, different vague error message. Failed. That file already exists. Wait. Wait, what do you mean it's installed? It's not installed though. Hold up, wait, where does it say it's installed? Let's find out. Hold up, so it's in... That's a bug. What? Why does that... Okay, that should be... Okay. Plasma developers. If the file exists, don't give me an error message about it. Replace the file, or if they're the same file, just say it's installed. Because if it's the same file, it's already installed. Well, no, it's saying that what I think it's trying to do is saying the file already exists. So the file in the temp folder can't be copied over to this location because this location already exists. So it's using the temp folder as a download location. Okay, well, I keep forgetting the fucking directory. What was it? Okay. Hold up. So, can I just copy that? No. Oh, also, why do Plasma error messages do this, by the way? Like, for it, I want someone to explain why Plasma error messages, like, work like this. Where they are locked to the window and can only go up and down. Like, why do they do that? It's not a problem. I'm just confused. Okay. Okay, so it look and feel. It's got something in here, clearly. Can I just... Vivid... Can we just delete both of these? Delete both of those. Cool. Okay, let's try it again. Looks like it might not work again. What vague error message will we get this time? Oh! Oh! Why have we got two of them now? Why did I need to delete files? Why? Plasma, why did I have to delete files to do that? What? And what? Why are there two of them? Wait, are there two of them in the directory? Hold up. What is in that directory? No, there's just... Wait, are they... Global... No, they're the same file. Why... Because well, no, there's literally only one folder in here. In the folder... There's one folder. There... You guys can't see it. Here you go. There's one folder. Why? Why? Yeah, let's close the system settings. Global theme. Okay, there's one of them now. Why? How? How do you do that? I'm so confused. Plasma. Plasma. Choose what to apply. Oh god. Okay, yeah. Well, we know that themes work. I don't want to install it because... Yeah, I don't want to install it because I don't want it to break everything. We know that themes work. I do not want to install it because I don't want to refix everything because I made some modifications to it. We know it works though. You're so clueless? No, the KDE devs are clueless for make me go and delete a file to make a theme install work. Work-ish. The theme was installed. No, it wasn't installed. We knew it wasn't installed because there wasn't an installed icon. There wasn't the trash can icon there. It literally was not installed. That was the problem. Go back through the VOD and you can see all of the going back and forth being like, wow, it's not installing. This was like a 10-minute bit we had. It literally was not in setting. Do you not remember the past 20 minutes? It was not in the settings. Let's try to install the 7 arrow now. Okay, that one's not showing up in global theme. Window covered it. No. Have you read the Arch Wiki? I have. It's fine, he's timed out now. Are you having any issues with Xplane Video Bridge with Discord? I've not messed around. I actually don't have it installed. What is the... Does it have a package on Arch? It does. Yeah, I've never actually messed around with that. Video bridge. Here we go. Use discovery. No, I'm just gonna use my window manager. I'm not gonna do that. Also, I guess I can uninstall discover because I'm never actually gonna use it now. There we go. Bye-bye, Discover. How has Plasma 6 been? It's been a mix of up and downs. It's been... The heck is discount? The heck is discount? Let me see. Where's my... Hold up. Let me do something. Let me log into my alt on Discord and we'll test it. My bot testing account. Open Discord. Apparently discount is a markdown editor. Not surprised there's something with that name. There we go. Okay. So if how the hell do you log out of Discord? How the hell do you log... There we go. Log out. Cool. Log into that one. Yes, I am human. Log in. Okay, well that account I need to reset the password on that one. Okay, Okay, can I just Can I just call an account that's offline? I wonder. Is that a thing Discord lets you do? Can I just start a call with an account that's offline? Cool. Apparently you can. So if I go share my screen. I might need a restart. Yeah, it's not working, so I might need a restart to get that to work. Unless it doesn't work from your... Yeah, that's not working. Huh. I might need a restart to get the X1 video bridge to work, because I know portal stuff. I know portal stuff is always weird. Do I actually have to start it manually? It's not going to start itself. Okay, we'll do that. Start. I'm reading the comment. X Wayland video bridge. KDE won't just start in the background. Okay, it started. Let's try it now. No, I don't want to do that. Stop. Stop it. Did that break my camera? Hold up. No, it didn't. Okay. Okay, start that. I go share my screen. Ah, here we go. Okay, so theoretically, if I go like, I don't know, we'll just share this one. Okay, it looks like it's working. Yeah. Maybe? It's trying to do something. It's not... It's trying... It worked for a second, and then Discord is not connecting to it. I'm not sure why. Share screen. Let's try that again. Let's try to share everything. That might just be Discord being weird. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if that's Discord's fault or the portal's fault. Or the bridge's fault. I don't know. I can't blame X1 Video Bridge for not working. Do a video call with... I could do a video call with Zero Linus, actually. They broke into the recent update. Might need a relog. Well, I don't ever do that anyway. Same with Workspace. Let me try it again. We can do that. Sure. It seems like Discord's having trouble just connecting to it in the first place. So I'm not entirely sure what the problem is. Let's try to share like an individual window. Let's try to share this. Oh. My entire desktop's locked up. Are we crashing? Have I caused my first KDE crash? No? Okay, we just froze. Oh, did that break the stream? Are we back? Hello? Are we good? Okay. Apparently, do not try to share a window or it will freeze your entire desktop and might break your stream. Okay. Wait. Archie, I see your message in Twitch chat. That's a very unfortunate spelling mistake you made. Okay, yeah, good. Yeah, no, that was KDE dying or something dying. Okay, now OBS now our YouTube is telling me that the stream died. Okay, it's telling me the stream died about 3 minutes after it had died. What is? Just put it into Google search and you'll find it. Time to Google. What is his Twitch? Brodie Robertson.xyz/Twitch will get you there. Brodie Robertson/XYZ. Wait, .xyz/Twitch. There you go. Go to that link. Copy it as a link. I don't know why it did that. Your desktop is free from doing anything. As we can see, that's... No, please don't... Please don't add that as a permitted term in my... No, don't add that as a permitted term on my Twitch. Stream, is it still breaking? Are we working? Let me know what's happening. I need a indication of what's going on my stream. Are we all good? Are we working? Let me know what's happening. I need a... It seems like it's fine. People are telling me it's broken, but it's not broken. I don't know. I see a human. Thank you. I am a human. Oh god, now you're all following my Twitch. Yeah, so in case you guys want to hang out, watch me do game stuff. Camera is laggy. Is it? Okay. Let me see. Let me mute it. I do stream over on Twitch. I need a... Shut the fuck up, Brodie. Stop it. Is it lagging? It doesn't seem to be lagging. No, it seems to be fine. Camera works fine for me? Okay. Jesus Christ. Thank you for all the follows on the Twitch. I know that none of you are actually going to show up on the Twitch side. What do you play on Twitch? Right now, I'm playing through... Neo, The World Ends With You, and God of War 2. The bitrate is kind of bad, though. That is the maximum bitrate I can stream at. If I want to stream on Twitch as well. The compression makes you look like... look elephant-like. It's like motion blur, not lag. Thank you to everyone following the Twitch. Jesus Christ, there's too many of you following over there. There's like... This is by far the biggest stream that I have done. There's 340 people here. Like, that is wild. Like, I have never done a stream with this many people before. In that case, reduce FPS to 30. That's true, I could do that. I am streaming at 60. I don't even know why I'm streaming at 60, to be honest. Like, there's actually no reason to be streaming at 60 if I'm going to be messing around with my desktop. I just copied my my stream setup for the Twitch stuff. I actually didn't even need to do it like this. Thank you to everybody who followed over there. 300 people watching Aussie Man break plasma. Nice European time. It's not European time, it's Australian time. Want to do a collab again for podcast? I'm down. If you are, a lot has happened since we last talked. It'd be fun to talk about, it definitely would be fun to talk about my experience when I'm done with plasma. I'm going to talk with a couple of people about it. I want to try to. I will see if I can drag Nate Graham back on the podcast. I think that'll be fun. The guy here, the pointier stick. So is there anything anything else you guys want me to mess around with? Because we found some weird cases that. Actually, I'll put. I did have something here. Oh, that's what I forgot to write down. Lets you install global themes that aren't global theme. I think they don't show up. Get Nico in here. He was here before. I think he's busy doing like actual important things, like working. Try hide an app in the start menu. Hide an app in the start menu. What do you mean by that? What do you mean? Try plastic window decoration. Do a barrel roll. Themes. Does open tablet driver artist mode break for you? I don't have. I've not messed around with artist mode actually. Give me a second. Let me just get it working. That wasn't Plasma. That was another thing I have installed. How do I enable artist mode? Artist mode. Why is it locked to that window? That's weird. That's not what it's showing me there. Maybe it does break. Let's go to absolute mode. Huh. Yeah, that's not using the entire space. Weird. Right click on an app and it should say hide, but it's not there anymore. Yeah, it's definitely not there anymore by the looks of it. I don't see it at least. You have 2,000 plus packages installed. Your installer's bloat. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, a little bit bloat. Shh, don't think about it. It's fine. Is the new overview effect smooth? When it doesn't stutter my entire desktop, yes. Sometimes it's smooth, sometimes it locks up my entire desktop. It's a bit of both. I have more to question. Does pineapple belong on pizza? I don't hate it. But, like, it's not my go-to. I have 3,800 packages. Jesus. Do you restore a snapshot or removal Plasma packages? You know what'll probably happen? I'll probably not uninstall any of them and just keep updating Plasma just till the end of time. Have you checked out BlendOS? Actually, no. But do you know what I did do? It's coming out next week, the week after. I don't know when. I've got a video or podcast coming out with Rudra, the developer of BlendOS. Try shake cursor desktop effect. Okay, let's do that. Desktop effect, shake cursor. Makes the cursor larger when the pointer is quickly moved back and forth. I have hiccups now. This is not good. Oh. Well, that's funky. It's an accessibility feature, I guess. Well, actually, there's a lot of macOS stuff. What is it? Genie? What's it called? No, Lamp. Lamp is what it's called. Magic Lamp. This is another macOS like effect. So if we go minimize, Look at that. People say that KDE is copying Windows. No, it's copying Mac OS. It's ugly and pixelated, but it works. It's an accessibility feature. Like, this is ugly and pixelated as well. But it's there to just... It's there to help you. I don't like it. I think this looks really stupid. But it's there if you like weird effects. Enable what... Okay. Okay. We'll enable wobbly windows. Wobbly windows. Here you go. You happy now? Configure. More. Apply. Maximum wobble. Is it? I don't even feel like there's a difference. Is there a difference? I guess there is a little. When you go from 0 to max, it kind of feels like there should be more wobble than that. That doesn't feel like that much wobble difference. Also, I think it looks really stupid. I don't like it at all. I've not even looked through the desktop effects, by the way. Creates an animation when the mouse is clicked. Oh, okay. Hold up. Desktop froze for a second. Oh, you got to enable it. Huh? What? Let me just bind another hotkey. Maybe it's just doing a weird hotkey. Let's just try something else, okay? Let's go, super I. Okay, super I. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's lagging the hell out of my desktop. Oh, no, that is stutter hell. Oh! And if you click more, it lags your desktop even more. Hold up. Oh! If I just spam click, what happens? The answer is my entire desktop freezes. Yes. What a great setting that is. I'm going to turn that off immediately. Oh, okay. Where's the window? That one. Okay. Mouse click animation off. Apply. Should warn you to 4090 to run. Apparently so. Jesus Christ. Okay, that is disgusting. Mouse click animation incredibly laggy. That's awful. What else do we have? Did shake cursor. What is this? Snap? Snap helper. Helps you locate the center of a screen when moving a window. What is that? Is it actually useful? Let's find out. It looks amazing. It just lags my system to hell. Oh. You can't snap to it, though. That would be really cool if you could snap to it. Since you can't, it's less cool. Yeah, that's less cool than it could be. What is track mouse? Display mouse cursor location effect when activate. What does that do? Trigger with nut. Trigger with meta I. Okay, let's apply it. What? I guess it's like more of a visual indicator where the mouse is. Also, do you know what I'm kind of surprised with? No, not a single person has mentioned my mouse cursor. 0 people. 0 people have mentioned this mouse cursor. I am genuinely surprised. I would have thought someone would have pointed that out, like, straight away. We noticed that we don't care. Yeah, it's the add waiter cursor. Yes. I don't like the breeze cursor. I like my add waiter cursor. I think it looks so much better. Maybe that's because I'm used to Windows and macOS, and it's just the Windows and macOS cursor. Don't care. Did you try fractional scaling? How do I do fractional scaling? How does that work? What do you do for that? Took me here. Go to monitor settings. Okay. What are we looking for in monitor settings? Scale. Ah, I'm blind. 125% scale. Looks like it worked. It looks like it worked. This is acting really weird. Like the text is trying to overflow the box. But besides that, it seems like it's working. Keep in mind, I'm using a actually, what are you guys seeing on the stream? Because that applied scaling to everything. Like things that it probably shouldn't have. Does it look like it should? Okay, well that seems like it works. Let's go 300. That's a problem. I shouldn't have clicked that now that I think about it. Please revert. Thank you. Don't click 300. Bad idea. Now we wait. Thank God people thought about, hey, in case you break monitor settings, let's have timed out reverts. Thank God that's a standard feature. Let's make it smaller. 50% scale. Look at this, I'm on 4K now. I'm on scuffed 4K. It seems like it works. It seems like it works just fine. Mini KDE 4K simulator. I instantly clicked enter though, so it won't save me. Just don't do that then, and you'll be fine. Taskbar was broken, was it? Hold up. Let's have a look. Ah, look, to be fair, I am on a 1080p screen, scaling to 50%. That shouldn't work. Also, you can probably drag the panel out. It probably just doesn't automatically scale. I don't think it automatically scales. I think I would need to, like, manually do it. Do you know what it is kind of nice though? It fixed, like, the wallpaper just fixed itself fine. Cursed position was correct. It was just the it was OBS that was capturing it wrong. Can I have 4K, Mum? 4K, and we have 4K at home. Can we scale to 4K? Sadly, we can't go any less than that. Like, I can't do, thank you for the follow, the EWEC. I can't go, like, 10% scale. Stream feels a bit laggy, when you move windows. That's weird. Forgive me for this one, Brodie, I'm just having fun. I wish Way Display supported less than 1.0 scaling. Brodie, can we have Brodie in 4K, please? My camera technically supports 4K, but I have to, like, it zooms in on the thing itself. Anyway, we're messing around with desktop effects, weren't we? Desktop effects. What else do we have here? Closed windows fall apart. What does that mean? What does that mean? Why is that the effect you get? We can do that again. Let's make it bigger this time. Let's go full screen. You know, I actually don't hate that. I don't hate that. Keep it enabled. Oh, that's... Draw line... Allows you to draw lines on the desktop. What is this? Meta Shift F12. What a binding. It doesn't work. Wait, do I have to go... Wait, hold up. Oh, you have to hold down the modifier keys to do it. Oh. Oh my god. This is Windows 95 trash right here. This is straight up Windows 95. This actually could be useful for videos. Now, how do I restart? Meta Shift F11. That actually would be useful for videos. So I could be like, oh, look at, what was it? That one. No, hold up. That. But, oh, look at that thing. Assuming I got the bindings down. Whoa. Is that, you know what's important? When you see a thumbnail like this with like 100 arrows going to it, you know what's important. Wait, hold up. If I disable the effect, does that actually remove it? Okay, yes. I was gonna say, they just get stuck there forever. Now to draw forbidden hot dog Brodie IMAP. Click here to subscribe. Wait, hold up. Wait, we can do something. If I go Shift Meta. Oh god, okay, I ran out of room. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful. And it just sits above everything. That's so stupid. I love that. That's actually awesome. Subscriber. Okay, I'm sold. That's not new, but it is... Wait, hold up. Highlight edge of the screen when approaching. Is that what that is? Hold up. Is that the thing that I don't like? Oh my god, it is. Oh my god, it is. Okay, thank god you can turn that off. I hate that. I really don't like that. Okay, perfect. Awesome. Why do you use a drawing tablet? I find it easier for doing my thumbnail array, like the thumbnail editing. Also, I used to play Osu. Visualize touch points. What is that? What? What? What does that do? Like, there's no explanation here. What does that do? What is it supposed to do? I'm confused. I don't know what it does. Wait, slide back windows when another window is right. Ugh. 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 That's gross. That's terrible. Oh no, I don't like that. Oh no. Awesome. Hey, it's here. Enable slide back. I'm not going to. Suck window. Suck. Suck windows into the desktop. So I believe that was... I think I changed the binding for that. Show desktop. Why did I bind it to Control F12? Ooh. That doesn't work properly. You guys can't see it, but my second monitor, it's like causing the windows to flash when they reappear. It seems like OBS does not like to do that. OBS really does not like to do that. No, I rebound it because I have super debound to this. Open up my... I forgot to open up my application launcher. I forgot I enabled that one. What was it? What was it? Wait, hold up. It was... Suck. Eye on screen causes some apps to flicker. How good/bad is Plasma 6 so far? Okay, so that's a good question. So, I think Plasma 6 overall is a really, really good experience. However, I think right now it is really, really, really rough. There are a lot of effects that cause the desktop to freeze completely. There are the effect we just saw where it caused some of my windows to flicker. I don't know what's going on with X-Wayland Video Bridge, but that's not a part of KDE. It's like an optional thing, so I don't really blame them for that. I think the main issue is the stuttering I've had. You didn't do K-Wind tiling yet. I'm not done yet. I just want to talk about this. I'm on 6.01. So, I think that if they can deal with the stutter issues and get those completely ironed out, Plasma 6 is going to be good if you like floating. If you don't like floating, it's still not floating. Or still not tiling. It is still a floating environment, so you're still probably not going to like it. But if you want a floating environment, I think when they deal with those stutter issues, it's going to be in a good state. Now, some people are saying that there are no stutter issues. Like, what weeb crap are you watching this season? A lot of it. Show anime figures. Do you want me to just grab... because for the 350 people here right now, I will grab one of my anime figures. Here you go. Here is one anime figure. Here is Fubuki. You focus on it. God damn it, camera. There we go. Fubuki. There you go. There is one figure. Nice feet. Thank you. Anime. Thank you. Yes, I can read katakana. You cannot escape me. Best friend. True. I think right now Plasma is in a mostly good state. Do you have REM? Yes, I do have some REM figures up there. When are the shed vlogs coming back? I do have a shed at this place. I could do a shed vlog here. Too bad there are too many... Quick post kanji. Or you could not. Do you buy them? They are painted. Yes. This is not like a what do you call it? A Gundam situation. Now you're a true Linux content creator. No. I'll show you. Hold up. I'll find something. Apparently I won't find something because I don't know where they are. I have programmer socks here somewhere. They're in my drawers, but I don't want to find them. Feet for free? Feet. Waifu pillow? There's no waifu pillow, sadly. Brodie doesn't sleep. It's you can see my time on my desktop right now. It's 9:45. It's not that late. I'm probably gonna go watch Free Run after this. Bogan feet. 18 plus stream. Oh, not on this website. Joined stream late, expected Plasma, got feet stream. What happened to the catto? That was my housemate's cat at the last house, and I don't live at that house anymore. As you can tell by the fact that my room has space. I'm not in that same house anymore, because that house sucks. And I hate those people. There's a gif of you wearing promo socks. There's also a picture of me in a maid dress. There are actually multiple pictures of me in a maid dress. Brodie, when are you going to do a Luke Smith style video when you yell about X11 in a forest? That's a good question. I could do that. That sounds fun. I just closed the window. I forgot I still had the explode window effect on. Hold up. Oh, I need to disable that because it's going to annoy the hell out of me. The hell was the effect even called? I don't even remember what the effect was now. Fall apart. That's what it was. Rare GNOME W because the GNOME... Yeah, the GNOME variable refresh rate video coming out tomorrow. Yeah, that will be out normal time tomorrow. Full screen Brodie still. Yes. Still surprised Brodie has legs. Yes, I have legs. There you go, leg. That video of Ubuntu is genius. I have plans for April Fool's Day this year. I'm not going to give them away because that will ruin the April Fool's Day, but I do have plans. Burning Windows is GNOME stuff. These is a GNOME of these stuff. Burn my Windows. What? Plasma legs. Will you keep fall apart features enable? Wait. Will you keep fall apart feature enable for 1 month testing? I'm probably not going to do that. Right. So I get cut off a lot. So hold up. When I do my videos, I have to like jot everything down because this is what will happen if I don't. I will just go on random tangents. So I don't think I explained what I was going to do properly before. So what I'm going to do with KDE is I'm going to do my first video. I'm going to do that next week. What's behind the curtain? A window. You can't see anything out there because it's nighttime. So I'm going to do my first KDE video that's going to be out sometime next week. Then I'm going to do a 1 month, like, long-term usage where I explain, like, how I've dealt with problems and probably using Polonium, things like that. I'm going to do a Polonium video. I'm going to do a video on KDE native tiling. I might do, if people want me to do some other specific video on some specific thing, I'm more than happy to mess around with that. But those are the main ones I've got planned. I'll probably talk about KDE's approach to global hotkeys and whether I like it or not and the issues I have with it. Because I do have issues with their approach. And I do think there are ways they could do it better. Basically copy Hyperland. But yeah, I want to talk about that as well. You can show KDE compilation for LFS. God, no, I'm not compiling KDE. Global hotkey. Wait, do you not know that? Yeah, so actually, I can show you. So see my keyboard. If I press this key, boom. I press this key, boom, and this key, boom. I'm not focused on the Hyperland, the Hyperland, on the OBS window. So there are ways to do basically have global hotkeys work for applications that you want them to work for. Do you think there's enough for you to switch to Plasma 6 yet? No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. I need tiling to be real. So I basically need Polonium or something equivalent to Polonium to be merged into Plasma. This is nice, and it is like it's a stopgap. But I need this to be merged. So I need two things. I need the tiling editor. I need this to basically be like a layout editor. We went over this before, but if I tile one window, it should fill up the entire screen. If I tile two windows, it should fill up this quadrant. If I tile three, it should use the entire layout. I don't like the fact that when you tile stuff, it has this weird gap here because it's not tiling its fancy zones. I am now repeating myself because there are new people here, but that's my biggest gripe. I need tiling to be tiling, not fancy zones. That is my... Honestly, that I think is the main thing. Everything else, I think, besides obviously the stuttering is a problem. If the stuttering wasn't there and KDE had proper tiling, I would legitimately consider using Plasma. Yes, I'll do an Archon video at some point. I would legitimately consider using Plasma as like as a daily driver. It is using 547 megabytes of RAM. There you go. When Polonium becomes usable, you'll try KDE again. Well, I'm going to use KDE for a month. So hopefully within that first month of Plasma 6, Polonium becomes usable. Hopefully. That's my hope. If it doesn't, then I will come back to it, yes. Turn the KWin script on. What KWin script? What KWin script? What? Have you tested ICC profiles? Cool, so that was my system. No, I haven't, but that might be a... what's that under? What are ICC profiles under? You are looking for a window manager then, because Plasma's trying to mimic Windows behavior. No, I'll try out Cosmic, actually. Because Cosmic is doing everything that I'm saying. I don't think you need to have a desktop environment display. What? I don't think a desktop environment needs to be floating. Ah, here it is. Well, I don't actually have any ICC profiles, so I can't actually use one. Okay, well, okay, scratch that plan. So I can't actually test it because I don't have any. Have you looked at Kwin script at the top right of the window? Okay, let's have a, what is this Kwin script thing? Kwin script. Kwin script. Kwin scripts. What do we have here? Desktop, add an on-screen display indicating desktop change, and a shortcut to minimize and restore all windows. Video wall! Wait, hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Apply. Okay. What happened? Hold up. What does this do? Did that do it? That didn't do what I thought it would do. Okay. I'm not going to play any more of that because I'll get DMCA'd. Try installing new scripts. What do we have in scripts? No items found. Thank you. Appreciate it. Here we go. Toggle terminal. Watch along. No, I will get DMCA'd. These are all of the scripts. This is every script. I didn't apply. I probably didn't apply, did I? Let's try again. Hold up. Hold up. That still didn't do it. Maybe it's because I have vertical monitors. It could be that I have vertical monitors. Yeah, I am a vertical monitor, Andy. I use 2 vertical monitors and 1 horizontal monitor. Is KDE your main DE now? Until Cosmic comes out, yeah. Honestly, I am excited for Cosmic. Because I am actually liking what KDE is doing, but I really, really wish it had proper tiling. And they want to do tiling. Like, they are working towards better tiling. But right now, it's just not tiling. It's just not at all tiling. What happened to the suckless Brodie? I miss him. I have this. This is my application launcher. Even though I'm using KDE, I've got this installed for opening my applications. I never open up the start menu. Actually, I could just delete the start menu from, like, the thing here and literally never use it. Brodie never used DWM. I did use Awesome, which is technically DWM in a sense. I think Cosmic has a better chance to make Brodie say. It absolutely does. Have you tried KRunner? I think you've asked that question like 5 times. What is KRunner? What does KRunner do? There is no man page for it. KRunner -- help. What does KRunner do? KRunner query. What does this do? I use KRunner to launch my applications. Oh. It disappeared. Okay, let's try. Nope, hate it. Nope. Okay, so here is my rule with a launch script. I do not like launcher scripts that look for desktop files. Can I make it look for commands? Because I don't like desktop files. I do not like having it only look for desktop files, because there's a lot of applications that don't install desktop files. Am I doxing myself with that IP? Yes. Yes. Please send all of your traffic to this IP address. Please set up a botnet and send all of your IP or all of your traffic to this IP address. I can... you can customize what it shows. Doxed. Yes, true. Time to DDoS localhost. You probably don't even have the same... you can configure it in settings. In, like, the system settings. KRunner. How? What do I need to look for? Okay, I see there's the unit conversion there. How do I make it search for scripts on my system? Execute shell commands. Uh-huh. File search. Right, but okay, so maybe this is a window manager user thing. I like to have my launcher do launcher things. So if I press Super D, I only want it to show applications to launch. If I press Super B, I only want it to show my bookmarks. This is the way that I like doing my runner stuff. I don't like it searching everything all at once. So if I can set it up for each hotkey to do individual things, I might be interested. If I have it searching everything all the time, I have zero interest. Also, can I make it load arbitrary data? Like, can I pass in my bookmarks? So that's like, not a true Plasma man. No, absolutely not. It's macOS Spotlight for KDE. Top of window configure button. Right, I see that. Well, this is the entire configuration, by the way. This is the entire configuration. Have I set up custom key bindings? Many of them. Like, changing my desktop. What is that? What effect did I enable? Hold up. I need to go back to my what is that? Desktop effects. Slide. Thank you. That's... Will I use Plasma now? I'm going to be using it for about a month. Yeah. So the answer is yes. Permanently? No, probably not. But I will use it temporarily. Is it out on Arch? I am literally on Arch Linux at this immediate moment. So, yes. Wait. Did I... Hold up a second. Did I close my notes without saving them? No, I didn't. Okay, it's fine. Cool. Yeah, 2 days ago? Yeah, about 2 days ago. Yeah. Yeah, it's about right. Anyway, I think I've pretty much, like, we've gone for like 2.5 hours now. I think I've pretty much tested everything. Oh, tested enough anyway. I've got my general thoughts about, like, how I feel like Plasma at this point. So, half an hour Plasma video. So, not my initial impressions, maybe my month-long impressions. But, yeah. I think... Can you try a path hom lightly shaders on GitHub? I might be able to. But I think we're gonna end off... We're gonna end off in a moment. Because I wanna go watch some anime. Rounded corners. Does this work for Plasma 6? Does this support Plasma 6? Does this support Plasma 6? Plasma 6? Yes, apparently supports Plasma 6. Okay. Yeah. I think we'll wrap it up here. So, if you guys haven't seen it yet, what anime? What's out today? Here's what's out today. Chiyu Maho, Sasaki to Pii-chan, Sousou no Frieren. I still need to actually start this at some point. Pon no Michi and Undead Unluck. That's what I got to watch today. And maybe watch some One Piece afterwards. Let's watch anime on stream. Not on this channel. God, no. I do not want to get DMCA'd. Oh my god. Absolutely not. Anyway, I'm gonna go. So, if you've not seen it yet, do be sure to go check out the podcast over on the podcast channel. This one. Leave it.
Or you have a memory leak or something like that.
David, stop talking. This one. Be sure to go check out this. It was a very fun episode. I had David Vinay on the show, a kernel developer who does Linux scheduling stuff, which is really, really cool. Brodie should watch. No, I'm not watching an anime called Boku. It's not gonna happen. I'm not watching an anime called Boku. I've been around it a long time. As if, well, not on this channel, as if YouTube doesn't terminate all channels owned by the same person. Look, we can go watch it on Kick. That's possible. So yeah. Also, if you want to see me streaming more, I know that a lot of you guys don't even see the updates, but I do stream. Okay, I stream every single week. I stream twice a week, 8 hours twice a week. That is over on Brodie on Games on YouTube and on the Twitch side. Also, if you've not seen it, I also have a channel called... I'll get a link. I need to make a short link for it. And there's a new video coming out for it tomorrow. I have this channel. Go subscribe to this channel. Brodie Robertson Reacts. Hey, Brodie, funny you're doing this. Currently fixing GBM EGL on my laptop, Lamau. So if you guys want to see, if you guys don't want to watch the stream, but you want to hear me ramble about nonsense, go check out that channel. I cut out clips from the what do you call it? From the streams. The streams. I cut out clips from the streams and they go over there. So if you want to go see me ramble about nonsense, I've got a video coming out tomorrow about the Linux rap battle because someone tried to revive it. There's also that channel logo. Yes, someone in my Discord made that years ago and I finally have a use for it. Yeah, so that's coming out. That's your new video coming out over there tomorrow morning or later today, whatever it is. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it'll be for you guys. And yeah, random stuff will go up over there. So I'm gonna go. Peace out. Bye bye. I don't have an outro for this overlay because this is a different overlay. Wasn't this stream nonsense? It pretty much was. Yeah, very true. So yeah. Hopefully I decide to do a stream on this channel again and not wait 6 months, whatever it was. And somehow 350 people were here, which is wild. I've never seen that many people in one of my streams. We peaked out at 403 people. Like, that's wild. 403 people were here. Like, what the hell? Anyway, I'm gonna go. Enjoy your day. I'm delaying stuff because I always do this when I end a stream. Go check out the gaming channel. Watch me play Neo, The World Ends With You, and God of War 2. Thursday, Friday, 10 a.m. ACDT. So it's bad for the European guys, but yeah, I don't know if you want to stay up late or something. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I don't have an outro for this, so I'm just going to end it. I could play my outro music. I don't know how many of you guys even heard this. Here you go. This is a remix of the Temple OS Hymn Risen. It's really good. That's my ringtone. It should be. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Peace out, guys. Enjoy your day, night, whatever it is for you.